In this video, you'll learn how to delete a Microsoft Planner board safely and completely. Maybe your team has finished a project or you've created a test plan that you don't need anymore. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact steps, and we'll also talk about what gets removed so you don't lose anything important by accident. First, you need to open the plan you want to delete. Go to your web browser and sign in to your Microsoft 365 account, then head over to tasks.office.com. This is where Planner is now integrated with Tasks. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of your different plans or boards. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct one, because deleting a plan is permanent. Then click on the board you want to remove so it opens fully on your screen. With the plan open, the next step is to access its settings. Look at the top of the screen for the plan's name. Click directly on the plan name to open the menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled More or something similar, and then choose Plan Settings. This is where Microsoft puts all the main configuration options for that specific board, including the delete option we're looking for. When you click Plan Settings, a sidebar will open on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see different sections or tabs in this panel. Make sure you're on the General tab, which is usually selected by default. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of this tab. Don't rush this part because the delete option is intentionally placed at the very bottom, so it's harder to click by mistake. Once you reach the end, you'll see a link or button that says delete this plan. Before you click anything, pause and double check that you're still in the correct plan. If other people are using this board, you might want to confirm with your team first, because every task, bucket, attachment, and the board itself will be removed. There's no undo button once you move forward. When you're ready, click delete this plan. A warning box will appear in the center of your screen. This is Microsoft's way of making sure you understand what will happen next. The message will explain that the plan and all of its tasks will be permanently deleted. To continue, you must actively confirm this. In the warning box, you'll see a checkbox with text similar to I understand that this plan and all of its tasks will be permanently deleted. Click that checkbox to acknowledge the warning. This step is required. You won't be able to delete the plan until it's checked. Once you've ticked the box, click the delete button to finalize your choice. The system will now remove the entire plan. After a moment, the board will disappear from your list of plans and you won't be able to access it anymore. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a Microsoft Planner board by opening the plan, going into Plan Settings, finding the delete option at the bottom of the General tab, and confirming the permanent deletion.